morning. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Welcome to breakfast. You know, I never knew egg muffins were so easy to make and taste so good and really quite convenient. You can keep them in your refrigerator and just heat one up when you're ready to have one for breakfast. Want to see? Watch this. My God, what did you eat? Let's start this show by adding some oil to the frying pan so we can fry up our bacon strips and make our bacon bits for our egg muffins. Plus, this will give us a head start on our appetite. Can you smell that, guys? Looking good. Bacon is done. Onto the cutting board. Cut them up into small pieces. Now we'll take our freshly cooked bacon bits, slide them onto a plate, set that aside. Clean cutting board. Time for some green onions. Slice them down. Chop them up. Ain't that pretty? Put our green onions onto a plate. Set that aside. Time for the egg mixture. Half a dozen eggs. Quarter of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Quarter of a cup of heavy cream. Some salt. Some pepper, and we're going to whisk that together until it looks something like that. Set that aside. Now we're going to grate some cheese for our egg muffins. I choose extra sharp cheddar cheese. Set that aside. Let's get our muffin tin. Spray it down with some Pam, and we're going to assemble our egg muffins. First the sharp cheddar cheese, now some bacon bits, add the green onions, top that off with the egg mixture till it's just below the rim. Into the oven for 20 minutes at 365. Look at that, guys. Cut it away from the muffin tin. Wrestle them out of the muffin tin. Don't they look good? Breakfast is served. Bonjour. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed watching it much as I've enjoyed making it. If you did, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. And if you're really down, don't forget, go with Jesus. You'll have a great day. Thanks again for watching.